Greetings travelers, Autumn from Zappos here, and today I'm showing off the Ines de la Fressange from Lipault Paris. This duffel bag is made of nylon that's really soft to the touch, but it's also durable. I love the classic look and I love the color scheme. Signature logo is stitched at the side. You got a front zippered pocket that opens right up. See that the flap goes over the top and it just provides you of a lot of extra space in the front. You've got two carrying handles, but then there's also a crossbody strap that you can detach. It's got a little extra piece of material here to keep it comfy at your shoulder, and then of course it's adjustable as well. The back gives you a trolley sleeve, so that'll be perfect if you have a lot to carry when you're traveling. Top opens up with a zipper, tons of room on the inside. It does give you a nice and spacious zippered pocket on one side, and then the other side is going to provide you with some slip pockets. It's all going to be resting on a flattened bottom, so that way it keeps an upright structure. Your next destination awaits, so make sure you've got the right bag with you from Lipault Paris.